Rends les choses faciles. Et sèche-moi ces larmes de crocodile.
Hey guys, so to start we're going to add in all of our dry ingredients. Now you're going to mix all of your dry ingredients very well until everything is fully incorporated. Now you're going to combine all of your wet ingredients into a separate bowl or container. Okay, so now you're going to give that a good whisk until everything is fully combined. So now you're going to slowly pour in your wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And then you're just going to mix it until everything is almost fully combined. Make sure to scrape down your bowl as needed. Okay, so now that everything is almost fully combined, this is where you're going to pour in your hot coffee. I like to use Cafe Bustelo because it's espresso based coffee and it's really strong. So it's going to really heighten the notes of the chocolate. So I'm just going to give it a final whisk. Now I'm going to add in all of my Oreos. As you can see, I use a ton of Oreos. So you want to make sure that you keep the pieces really big and you'll taste an Oreo with every bite. The coolest thing about this recipe is that when you bake the cake or cupcakes, the Oreo pieces are so moist and cakey and the inside, it's like amazing. So you're going to bake these on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. So now that the cupcakes are ready, you're just going to let it cool completely. So I'm just topping the cupcake off with a dulce de leche chocolate ganache buttercream. This is so good. Really good. I just made a chocolate ganache buttercream and then I add dulce de leche to it. So good. So I'm just sprinkling some crushed Oreos and then I'm going to finish it off with an Oreo on top. Now before I cut into it, I just want to show you how moist and how good this cupcake looks. The cupcake is so good. You guys definitely have to try my recipe. It's really good. And super moist per usual. This is my favorite part of these cupcake videos. I love to cut into the cupcakes so you guys can see how moist and rich they are. And yeah, I just wanted to say you can also use this batter for a 3-layer 6-inch cake if you want. This cupcake is phenomenal. If you're a chocolate lover, you will really love this cupcake, and this recipe will be your go-to. I just wish you guys can taste it right now, but you can taste it if you try out the recipe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.